Hi guys, and this is going to be my first vlog. So today, my family are finally ready for Christmas. It is absolutely amazing. I've got my little lights down here and across the back there. I've got some more decorations. So guys, that's all that's gonna be it for today's video. Be sure to like and comment and subscribe for daily videos, and maybe I'll do some more depending on how many likes and comments this video gets. Let's see if we can get 20 likes for me to carry on with vlogs. Depending on the comments, I may even do a Christmas Day special. But that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoy. Bye!